In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn Facebook professional mode on and off in a simple step-by-step tutorial. This is a great feature if you want to unlock creator tools, get more insights on your profile, and manage your public presence a little more professionally. And if you ever change your mind, I'll also show you how to switch it off. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to your profile. You want to make sure you're on the main profile page because that's where the professional mode option appears. Once you're there, look for the three dots icon, usually labeled as the More Options menu. Tap or click on those three dots to open your profile settings. After that, you should see an option that says Turn on Professional Mode. Select that option. Facebook will usually show you a quick explanation of what professional mode does, including access to creative features and audience tools. Take a moment to review that information so you know what changes are being made to your profile. When you're ready, click Turn on to activate professional mode. Once it's enabled, your profile will begin using the professional setup, and you may notice extra tools and analytics become available depending on your account. Now, if you want to turn professional mode off, the process is just as easy. Go back to your profile, tap the three dots again, and look for the option related to turning off professional mode. Facebook may place this inside the same menu or inside your profile settings, depending on the version of the app or website you're using. Once you find the option, select it and confirm that you want to turn professional mode off. Facebook may ask you to verify your choice before applying the change. After you confirm, your profile will return to the regular personal profile experience. Keep in mind that turning professional mode off may remove access to certain creator tools and insights. So if you use those features, make sure you're comfortable with losing them before you switch back. And that's it. You now know how to turn Facebook professional mode on and off. If this walkthrough helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.